Instructors and facilitators are always able to submit assessments on behalf of their students, and they can do so at any stage, even after grades have been returned. Resubmitting on behalf of students is useful because students can sometimes have connection issues that prevent them from having a successful submission, or they might have forgotten to click the submit button on their assessment. So to resubmit on behalf of a student, click into the assessment, click into students, and find the student that you are going to resubmit on behalf of. So this student submission is in progress, and a successful submission will be shown by submitted and the green tick here. So we can come in and resubmit on behalf of this student by selecting submission. And first of all, you can also check to see that their work is up the right way, and you can rotate any work that needs to be rotated. You can rearrange the files as well, and you can remove files from a student submission. So this might be helpful if a student messages in and says that they've accidentally submitted work to the wrong question. You can come in and resubmit on their behalf. Once you've finished editing their resubmission, you can click Submit for Evaluation, and that will mean that their work is now accessible for grading.